Hello, welcome back to my yet another project. In this project we are going to discuss on a referral emailer Go, which is basically made for the pain I go into asking for referrals for multiple projects. So this is basically a fully open source, self-hosted, full control over referral asking referral drafter system, which is completely made using the Golang, MongoDB, Angular for dynamic pages, and Gemini and the build with Google Cloud. Before we jump into the particular section on the particular areas, I would like to first discuss on the high level architecture of how this thing particularly works. So here in this particular project, we are going to see this is the referral mailer service, which comes with entire fully hosted and full control built in SMTP with Gemini 1.5 class support, where users come into this particular area where they upload, sign up, and they can basically send emails to the particular persons they're interested to get the referral. The main idea is to solve the challenge of writing cold email, cold messages, so that it can handle for you based on your characteristic of your resume or the job links, job URLs, or even the job descriptions also. The thing is that users come and they are going to upload the services. This is a front-ending system which is built on the Angular side, and the backend services are made using Go, where the workflow is basically, here is a worker flow setup has been created, a custom worker pool setup, where each and every profile update, that is your resume update, goes into stages of actor. There are a couple of stages are involved. Say for example, the resume analyzer, pinpoint summary, candidate profiling content to JSON, and the email notifications also. And here is the worker pool setup, which is being available over here. And once it is there, update profile, it connects entire this workflow or this ecosystem using the Go channels. And then this worker pool picks up each and every job which are being submitted to them, and they go slowly, asynchronously, concurrently, to progress multiple tasks which are being submitted within the particular same program or the context, and progress them slowly and steadily. And also it comes with the error handling support. And for that, the thing is that worker pool submits the API. If they calls a Gemini candidate screening thing, which is again here is a career coach agent which has been built in my GCP project, which talks to a Vertex AI platform which is part of this Gemini 1.5 LLM. They talks on based on the resume of that particular candidate who they have uploaded. They analyze these scales, and using this entire ecosystem, they comes with the particular analyzer setup, and they screens the candidate. All the AI responses which have been generated are captured through the Go channels again, and worker pools registers or stores the screening result of that particular individual candidate from that job queue to that MongoDB is the default database that I am using. It's a NoSQL database apparently, because you do not need anything heavy lifting over here, right? Now once everything is there, for the resume uploads and everything, I am using the cloud storage, which is a Google Cloud Storage, where all the candidates resumes are getting stored, which is a static list generated site over here. And for emailing, we will look at how that particular thing works. It is an Go SMTP server which is connected to the SMTP gmail.com 587, and this email channels are part of this particular candidate wherever it is being self-hosted. That particular account credentials will be used, and outbound emailing service using the Go channels, and they sends the email using same worker pool setup along with the resume, the job URLs, job description, anything that you feed into during the referral code email generation. We are going to look at that also. Sends resume, and whoever the particular Spock you want to send an email, it can reach them. Okay, so that's all. And basically the features are basically it's a self-hosted and full control, automated resume analysis, efficient processing, database is basically MongoDB, and user-friendly interface. Obviously there is no complex features or anything has been implemented. It's purely as per the need of the hour of writing the emails and APIs. Cloud storage integration which has been implemented over here, and automated email notifications के लिए there are the SMTPs has been implemented over here. So these are the fairly the technology stack. It's a Go Backend API, MongoDB, and Gemini Flash SMTP server. That's all. And let's look at a little bit of this particular code side. So we have the main.go file where there are the core components are being involved over here, and it will be fetched from the environment variables or the config toml file. The worker pools here I am basically creating here. The buffer queue size is basically 10x of the concurrency limit. For simplicity, I am using 5 as a concurrency, but it can basically scale up. It will be automatically quickly get scaled. Okay, and there are the particular these workers and everything pending for job, which is a job queue service, and worker pool everything are gets started in a different coroutine, because otherwise it will block up the main thread, right? And listen for pending jobs, it's a infinite loop. right? So if I don't run it into a separate Go routine, it will block that main thread and my server backend will not get start. So in the core also, you can see the entire configuration or the core logic or the core construct which is required for this particular service to run are getting initialized over here. All the database indexes which are being used for the MongoDB that are being created, database initialization, MongoDB client initialization, SMTP auth, LLM initialization, configuration of the indexes also here, GCS client and everything. Okay, and here is the particular LLM Go where all these very critically tailored prompts has been kept here, which basically does the resume content analysis, worker profile summary generations, construct of the JSON struct, draft the cold email message for you based on your input. Okay, and it is basically made for the indexes, database indexes initialization. Repositories has been created. Job queue, this is a particularly the job queue implementation of the bson model, which is a MongoDB model. Okay, and worker pools, if you go to in this particular set of this particular project, workerpool.go, here is the entire worker pool initialization of how it will process each and every job. So here is this particular logic has been implemented. Now without further talking too much, maybe you can jump into the demo and see how it works. So here right now I am trying to create a new account. You can click on live demo. Here I am typing my, let's type my email and credentials. I am creating the account. Now this page will come. In this particular page, what we have to do, we have to fill the details like the about, a little bit of about. This about section has to be within the 100 characters. I have typed that. Now I am trying to upload my latest resume. You can select the country and you can turn on the receive emails button. Now once it is done, it will logged out and you have to again sign in. Okay, now you click the preview resume. Ideally what is happening here is background page, these are the job queue has been created and the Go routines, Go workers are running behind the scene to process your resume, and within, as you can see, within 5 to 10 seconds the entire resume has been created, your profile analytics has been created, how you as a candidate and what are your pros and cons as a software engineer or depending on the job description, it will create it. Now I am trying to basically mimic or send and asking for a referral. This is one of my, and again a backup account. I am copying the job description from the LinkedIn and the company name is open text. I just paste that job description so that it can write a very customized and personalized cold mail for me. I have copied the job URLs also, so it will be during my cold email, it will attach all those things. Now I click on the blue button, which basically runs behind the screen. AI is basically analyzing your profile, your job description, picking up the best suitable actions and writing the very concise, short and to the point, which is tailored to the job descriptions cold message. And it has also created my signatures. I just doing a small editing over here. Let me just bold it, couple of things, and I am good to go, and I click the send button. Now this send button is again a Go SMTP servers which are already inbuilt. It will use my account because I have self-hosted it. So whichever email has been used to self-hosted, it will use that. And as you can see, the email has been sent to that particular Spock. Right now, in my current scenario, it is mine only, but obviously it can send to any person that you like to. And again, I have created this preview resume just to give you the feel of how things are going. I hope you have liked it. And also the feature is that it will attach the resume. This is my GitHub profile link. If you like it, you can maybe give it a star, thumbs up, or connect me over LinkedIn or anything. Thank you.